Welcome back to the build site, guys. Quick update on a nice cloudy, spitty day where it's just like kind of wet and nasty, and it's pretty cold out here. We have the actual footing forms going in. And that means that we're going to be able to pour the footings, which is how the foundation walls are held up. This is called a strip putting out here. We've got the forms for the piers right here. Those are going to get in the middle of the field, and a column of cinder blocks basically gets poured on top of those with all of the spaces filled up with concrete. What I wanted to show you, though, is this Form-A-Drain, which I'm really excited about. It is the footing material. It's plastic. It's basically like PVC, but it has slots in it. So you can see these are holes that in two cells. This thing is 8 inches tall, so my footing is going to be 8 inches deep by 16 inches wide. And the slots go on the outside. So you pour the concrete in between the two stretches of this Form-A-Drain. And then you've got the slots on the outside. And that's going to enable you to do two things. Number one, what's neat about this kind of drainage is that we're going to pour the concrete in here. There's going to be an inner form there as well. Number one, it's a form, which you have to have. If you're going to pour concrete, you have to have some kind of barrier. If you're using wood, you got to take it out. This means that you get to just leave it in place. You don't have to worry about it anymore. It actually is going to do you good, because the second thing it's going to do is drain. It's not going to drain like a French drain does. A French drain would sit here. The foundation wall is going to start here, and so you'd put the French drain here if you were digging down to put your footing in the ground. That means that we're going to get actually better drainage with this than we would if we were just using a simple French drain system or a drain tile. And the third thing is it's going to enable us to suck on all of the stuff around this, which is going to be gravel, because we don't want to clog these slots with clay and dirt and all that stuff. So all the gravel around it, and all the gravel in the middle of the field is going to be sucked on by the active radon mitigation system. That's going to be hooked up to a very simple Fantech fan. It's just going to constantly suck air from underneath the slab harder than the house is sucking on the slab, because that is part of what is going on here. Is we've got stack effect, and the house sucks on the slab for about half the year. So I hope that you stay tuned for the rest of this. If you have any comments, questions today, I'm going to have a much better video that explains the whole system of this Form-A-Drain and the Platon, which goes on the outside, the waterproofing system. For draining and waterproofing the walls, and the footing is all from one company, North American Pipe Corporation. So anyway, stay tuned for all of that. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.